Hi everyone, today in Integrated Math 1, we're going to go ahead and go over Chapter 2, Lesson 7. Here are the objectives. Make sure you write them down in your notes. So for example 10, I'm going to go ahead and state whether the percent of change is a percent of increase or a percent of decrease. Then we want to find the percent of change, round to the nearest whole percent. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and find out if we have an increase or decrease. Our final amount is what we want to write down first. We're going to subtract that from the original amount, which is 80 in this case. 60 minus 80 is negative 20. So because of that, I know we're going to have a decrease. Well, a percent of decrease. Alright, but we still need to find out what the percent of change is. So, in order to find out what the percent of change is, we have change. So our change amount, all divided by our original amount, which is equal to the percent, all divided by 100. Alright, so now let's plug in our information. Our change is by 20, so we're going to use this, but we're not going to worry about that negative. So we have a change of 20. Our original amount is 80. And our percent, that's what we do not know what it is. Let's just use a variable. In this case, let's try R. All divided by 100. Alright, and let's simplify this before we get started. We know we can divide our zeros. So now we have 2 divided by 8, which is equal to R divided by 100. Or we could have said 1/4 as well, but I'm going to leave it like this. And this is where we're going to use that cross product again. So I'm going to continue showing my work over here. 8 times R is equal to 2 times 100. And we still want to find out what R is. So 8R is equal to 200. And then we're going to divide both sides by 8. R is equal to 25. Because R is equal to 25, we know, because what we were missing was percent, we have a 25% decrease. Alright.